So guys, welcome to my channel and how to download Lenovo ThinkPad T14 driver. So open any browsers and type the Google search box. Okay, go to this URL pcsupport.lenovo.com. Okay, then right click to new tab. Okay, then you can see there are two type to install the driver. Okay, first automatic, second manual. So automatic, just click to scan now and then detect your serial number. Automatic, you require to driver it, highlight, and just you can one click to install it. And second is manual, so you have to separate install driver and degrade update. So you can just select a driver. Okay, then click to camera, scroll down, find out the camera driver, and then click to download. The downloading start, you can see it's one process. After that, click to setup, then yes. Okay, then next, I accept, next, install. Then click to OK and then finished.